Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap Northeast City, local and long distance, movers, near me. 3 men and a truck is expertise in moving your belongings across the country and even overseas. We use the most effective mode of transportation for long-distance moves. If you want door-to-door service, we can also provide that. It can be difficult to justify hiring a moving company to move just a few blocks away. But when you look at the numbers, the benefits of hiring a moving company outweigh the cons. Not only do you not have the experience of shifting, but you also lack the resources to shift your belongings safely to your new home. A professional team of movers like 3 men and a truck would streamline the whole moving process. We get you moved into your new destination in no time. While others may take 2 to 3 days, we can do it in just a few hours. But, of course, we also ensure that we will safely shift your items to your new home. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Northeast City moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.